Hello, my name is Mark. I am the pastor at New Creation Assembly of God in Virginia Beach, and I rate Microsoft Excel as a 5. We have used Microsoft Excel exclusively, but I have also worked or tried to implement uh, Numbers and even Quattro Pro uh, within the organization to see if they might better serve us. Yeah, I think it's the comfortability with most people with Microsoft products, and so the whole suite itself. But the use of we don't do a lot of graphing and things like that, but spreadsheets and the ability to be able to run numbers and things like that for our budgets. Using it was quite easy. When I took over at the organization as pastor, they were using free software, and when we moved into that, they found that the use of this was easier than any even free online software. Um, Everybody seemed to pick it up rather well, and the bookkeeper was not real knowledgeable in this area, but she grasped the use of the program rather quickly. I would say that you might try out other products, but don't write Microsoft Excel off. Give it a good fair shake and give it a good run, and I think you're going to find that it works really well and will benefit your organization.